2017 Ford F-150 is the most innovative of the full-size pickups. The 2017 F-150 lineup offers a completely new powertrain option in the form of a redesigned 3.5-liter V6 engine and a new 10-speed automatic transmission. The new second-generation 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine boasts 470 foot-pounds of torque, 50 more than last year's first-generation EcoBoost, along with 375 horsepower. That output tops that of the optional V8 and helps the F-150 achieve a maximum tow rating of 12,200 pounds, sufficient for an enclosed car trailer with a heavy car aboard. The F-150 presents an angular look with its aluminum body structure, more chiseled than pre-2015 steel models. The bed and cab are made of aluminum panels glued and riveted together and secured to a ladder frame that makes liberal use of high-strength steel. It looks like a modern tool. Its stylish faired-back rectangular headlights are distinctive and bracket the tall grille. A beveled hood helps send air across the roof. This latest generation F-150 is roomy up front. If you want usable back seats, go for the roomy Super Crew. Legroom is ample and the recline is satisfying in the back seat of a Super Crew, but seat cushions are a bit low. Conversely, the rear seats in Super Cabs are tight, best for kids, but they can be flipped up against the back wall, yielding helpful cargo storage space on the flat floor. None of them are set up well for dogs. Regular cab pickups provide scant space behind the front seats. By pickup standards, the F-150 feels smooth and soft, the cab relatively isolated from road surface vibration. Its ride comfort and substantial feel makes the F-150 much more enjoyable on the road. It's much smoother than an F-250. Electric power steering is quick and light, easy to steer around in a parking lot, responsive on winding roads, stable on the highway. The F-150 and Titan seem to offer the best handling. The Silverado and F-150 had the nicest ride.